there folks, today I'm going to teach you how to shape pork dumplings. It's not too tricky, but you need a few times to get the hang of it. I've got my dough rounds all ready to go, and I've rolled this about as thinly as I can, about 1/16 of an inch. And I also have my filling already made and portioned out. I've got 2 hands on this, and I'm going to create 1 pleat. We're going to do 5 total. So the right hand is going to be forming the pleats, and the left hand is going to be holding them in place. A second pleat here, and a third one, and we are looking to not overlap on the pleats. 4 pleats and the 5th pleat. You can see here that this has created a little bowl to kind of put the filling into, so we're ready for that now. I've scooped this with a number 100 scoop, that's about 2 teaspoons of filling. And then you're going to take this side, the smooth side without any pleats, and bring it up over the filling to meet the pleated side. And I'm going to set that on the counter to do that. Bring it up, and you can see I'm going to press these together and kind of tamp the dumpling down to get a flat bottom. And now, so that the dough isn't too thick, we're going to pinch this together and create it into a single layer of dough. That way it'll cook really evenly and you won't have any kind of tough spots. So now that I've pinched this, I kind of like to twist the ends in just a little bit to get sort of a crescent shape going on here. There we go, we've got the first one done, so we'll move on to another one. Going in for the next one. Pleating with the right hand, holding with the left. And you can see when you flip it up like this, you can see your pleats. They're not overlapping, not too big. And we've got our 5th and final pleat. And again, you can see that we've got a little bowl here. We're going to take our scoop of filling and put it right in there. And it's okay to take a minute and kind of adjust it in there to make your life a little bit easier. Wipe the gras doux off your hands. If you come across, one of your dough rounds maybe isn't quite big enough to seal, it's okay if you want to stretch out this smooth part of the dough to be a little bit bigger, to make sure you're getting that enclosed. All right. Go, pinching, flat bottom, and that flat bottom is the bottom you're going to use to sear if you're going to do the pan frying method of the dumpling cookery. But don't want to pan fry, you can boil these and you can steam them. Surprisingly, the boiled dumplings were my favorite, even though I thought the pan fried ones would be. Okay, here we go, another one. Now that you know how to form your dumplings, you're going to need to know how to cook them. And there's 3 simple methods. You can steam them, boil them, or pan fry them. And you can find those methods in issue 139, and there'll be plenty of details there to get that done. So we hope that you'll give this a try and have fun doing it. Thanks so much.